Video of the belt moving?
Taking a video of the belt moving because nobody knows what it is yet until I start panning out. Let it refocus on the carriage, counterbalanced carriage. And we'll focus on the hot end, the platform. And they're going, what the heck's this all about? And then I need to stand way the heck back to see the entire machine. And then we gotta zoom in on the electronics because that is a Rambo board. Powering all the big drivers. Big ass pulleys. Steve's face like it's moving. I just hope it doesn't become a bad robot.
It only took you a couple hours to put the Oli.
I only needed 2 hours. You needed 2 months.
Oli Performance tune on the PartDaddy machine. It's actually got some nice motion right there.
Yeah, I think that's it's slowed down, but we'll fix that. Cool.